The JEXUGK 1000N Cordless Impact Wrench is a true performance beast, offering a peak torque of 1000 Nm equivalent to the force of 10 adults, making it capable of removing tire screws in just 1 second. This cordless impact wrench comes with two 21-volt 4.amp-hour batteries that have passed a rigorous 1000 charge cycle test, guaranteeing its durability and longevity, and a fast charger that greatly reduces the battery charging time and speeds up work efficiency. In addition to its power, the JEXUGK 1000N Cordless Impact Wrench features built-in LED lights that stay on for about 20 seconds after you release the trigger, improving visibility in dark environments and allowing for easy removal of bolts and nuts. With an ergonomic grip, this impact wrench is comfortable to operate for long periods, reducing muscle soreness and preventing noticeable numbness in the hand caused by vibration. The JEXUGK 1000N Cordless Impact Wrench offers infinitely variable speed control from 0 to 4,200 revolutions per minute at the touch of a button, allowing for precision control and reducing the risk of over-tightening or stripping fasteners. The kit includes the 1000 inner impact wrench, two 4.amp-hour lithium-ion battery packs, a quick desktop charger, 5 CRV steel sleeves, an extension, a sturdy carrying case, and an owner's manual.